Good day, dear students. I am Mrs. Sylvia Naveed, your science teacher of class 5 from St. John's High School. Today we will learn about the structure and germination of seeds, especially bean and maize seeds, from your science book, page number 44, 45 and 48. Students, as we already have learned about cotyledons and their types, one type is monocot and other is dicot. As you all know, flowering plants are further divided into two major groups according to whether they have one or two cotyledons. Those with one cotyledon are called monocotyledon or monocot for short. For example, rice, wheat and maize. And the dicot plant, those with two cotyledon are called dicotyledon or dicot for short. For example, gram, rose and bean plants. Students, before starting our topic, we should know about the structure of any seed. To understand this, you have to study structure of a seed. And we will see the structure of inside a bean and a maize seed. Maize seed means corn seed. A seed consists of three main parts. Those are seed coat, cotyledon and embryo. First of all, we will learn something about the seed coat. What is seed coat? The seed coat is the outer covering of the seed that protects its internal structure from injury and drying out. Next, the cotyledon. What is cotyledon, students? Cotyledon is the plant's food supply. It surrounds the growing embryo and provides food for it. Cotyledons are leaf-like structures. Cotyledons are also called seed leaves. And what is embryo, students? Embryo or a new plant, you can say that embryo or baby plant grows into a new plant when the conditions are right. Next, students, we will learn about what is germination. Growing of a seed into new plant is called germination. We will further study about germination. When any seed falls onto the ground or is planted, it needs the right conditions in order to grow. The soil should be rich and fertile. There should be plenty of fresh air and enough sunlight and warmth, and of course the water. If the conditions are right, the seed will germinate. The seed absorbs water. The water makes the food inside the seed quite soft. It also helps to break open the seed coat. Inside the seed, the baby plant begins to grow. Here are the stages. Here we see the germination of maize and bean seed. And next is the stages of germination in a bean and a maize seed. What happens with the seeds inside the soil, students? First of all, the seed is buried in the soil. It gets warmth and water. The seed coat becomes soft. Next, the seed leaves become soft and open. Students, you can see one by one with the pictures that what is happening with the seeds. Next, the root begins to grow downwards, spreading to find the water. and the shoot grows upwards, reaching for air and the warmth of sunlight. Leaves appear on the shoot. These will enable to plants to produce and store food for energy. You can see the stems grow stronger and more leaves appear on the stems. Eventually, buds appear and these blossom into flowers which produce seeds. Now students, let's learn about the germination of maize and bean seed. When the seeds germinate, they produce different number of seed leaves. The seed of a monocot plant has only one seed leaf or cotyledon, while dicot have two seed leaves. As you all know students that maize is a monocot seed. The cotyledon of the maize seed is only a thin leaf resembling the adult leaves, because the endosperm to feed the embryo, the new plant, is not in the seed leaf. And the bean, as you all know that it is a dicot seed. The two cotyledons of bean seed are rounded and fat. The French bean are rounded and fat because they contain the endosperm to feed the new plant. The first true leaves of the plant are often a different shape. I hope students, now you clearly understand the difference of maize and a bean seed. Now you have to do your homework. And what you have to do in your homework, students? You have to make a list of the conditions most seeds need in order to germinate. And obviously you all know that you will do your homework on a foolscape sheet, punch it in a file, write your name and class on the file and submit in the school office on every Tuesday. And students, I wish you all the best. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.